In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make inventory adjustments in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your inventory accurate is really important for correct reporting, pricing, and knowing what you actually have on the shelf. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to adjust your inventory quantities step by step and explain what you're seeing on screen as you go. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the upper right-hand corner for the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon, and from the list that appears, choose Products and Services. This is where QuickBooks keeps the full list of items you buy, sell, or track as inventory. When the Products and Services page opens, you'll see a table of all your items. Take a moment to locate the specific inventory item you want to adjust. You can scroll through the list, or use the search bar at the top if you know the name or SKU of the item. Once you've found the correct item, move your eyes to the Action column on the right-hand side of that row and click Edit. This opens up the detailed window for that individual product. Inside the item's details, look for the section labeled Quantity on Hand. This section shows what QuickBooks currently thinks you have in stock. Right next to the quantity, you'll see an option that says Adjust with a link labeled Quantity. Click that quantity link to open the Inventory Quantity Adjustment window. The Inventory Quantity Adjustment window is where you tell QuickBooks what the new, correct quantity should be. You'll see a column labeled New QT. In that field, type the actual quantity you now have on hand for that item based on your physical count. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the difference between the old quantity and the new one and record the adjustment behind the scenes. Before you save, take a second to double-check that the item is correct and that the new quantity matches your latest count. Even a small typo can throw off your inventory reports. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will update the quantity on hand for that item and adjust your inventory accordingly. That's all there is to it. Open Products and Services, edit the item, adjust the quantity, and save. Repeat the same process for any other items that need corrections, and you'll keep your inventory accurate and your books in great shape.